viewers, today we will discuss referred pain. Referred pain which is comparable to the bhai bahan ka pyar, that is love between brother and sister. Here the role of brother is played by Sumit and sister is Simmi, who get separated from each other in Sonpur Mela. Sumit, who is playing the role of somatic nerve, and Simmi is sympathetic nerve. But how the referred pain is comparable to the brother-sister love? Referred pain are those pain which is away from the site of origin. If Simmi got hurt, pain will be felt by Sumit, same as the brother-sister love. Visceral pain, which is carried by the sympathetic nerve, is referred to the somatic nerve, having the same spinal segment. Here we can see this in red color. This is somatic nerve, which is carrying the sensation of pain from skin, joint, muscle, tendon. It is passing through the dorsal root ganglia and now relay in the dorsal horn, and now it is going to the opposite side and ascend upward up to the ventral posterolateral nucleus of the thalamus, and third order neuron, it starts from here and going to the cortical centers, the higher center. Whereas the visceral pain, which is carried by the C fiber, it is taking the same pathway. That first order neuron is passing through the dorsal root ganglia, its nucleus lies here, and ends at the dorsal horn itself, but another lamina, and it is going to the opposite side and then ascend upward, but to the relay to the medial nucleus of the thalamus. Okay, and then going to the higher center. Whereas in case of the somatic nerve, it is going to the ventral posterior nucleus of the thalamus. They are taking almost the same pathway for going to the central nervous system. So central nervous system thought that the pain, the visceral pain, the sensation of which is carried by this green fiber, that is the sympathetic nerve, is actually coming from the somatic nerve. It is perceived, it is thought by the central nervous system. But why? Why say is having more appreciation of somatic nerve? Because somatic nerve has great connection with the central nervous system. This is what we are dealing here. Whenever Simmi got hurt, that is the sympathetic nerve, mom thinks that his favorite son Sumit get injured. That is the somatic nerve having the same spinal segment. Here mom is playing the role of central nervous system. Because Sumit has a strong connection with mom. What I am telling? Why mom loves Sumit more than Simmi? Mom loves Sumit more because Simmi used to talk with mother always in complaining mood that the visceral pain is going by the C fiber. Here is the complaining mood, that is C and C fiber. Where is the Sumit talk with mother always delightfully. That somatic nerve carries its sensation via the A delta fiber, always delightfully. Sympathetic nerve carries sensation by C fiber, whereas the somatic nerve carries sensation via the A delta fiber. This is A delta fiber in red color and C fiber in green color. There are so many differences of A delta and C fiber. That's why this central nervous system has great connection with the A delta fiber, because A delta fiber is fiber diameter is 2 to 5 micrometer, whereas the visceral pain, which is carried by the C fiber, its diameter is less than 2 micrometer. Conduction velocity is also more in A delta. That is in brother 5 to 15 meter per second. It's a fast pain. Where is the slow pain? Is the visceral pain, which runs with the speed of 0.5 to 2 meter per second. Distribution, it is felt on the body surface, muscle joint, where this type of pain, that is the slow pain, is distributed to all areas. Most tissue is vague. The pain sensation in case of A delta is rapid, pricking, well localized. Whereas in case of visceral pain, it is slow, diffuse, dull and aching. Position of synapse within the dorsal horn of spinal cord. What we are discussing here, that it is coming to the dorsal horn, but different lamina. Which lamina? For A delta fiber, it is lamina 1 and lamina 5. Whereas C fiber synapse in lamina 2, that is the substantia gelatinosa. This chart is very, very important. Mom receive information of Sumi directly. That's why mom has great connection with somatic nerve. Whereas get news of Simi via so many intermediate person. What we are seeing here, this red fiber is going to the higher center directly. Where is this? While traversing upward, going upward, this visceral pain is share information with others. At the level of midbrain, it share information with the fiber to reticular formation as well as the fiber to periaqueductal gray matter. And here, just below the thalamus, it share information with the fiber to hypothalamus. And information is also inhibited by this inhibitory dorsal column. There are so many pain inhibitory pathway in our body which acts upon this visceral pain, but not on the somatic pain. Here you can see this blue one. It acts upon the inhibitory dorsal columns. It acts upon the substantia gelatinosa, where the first order neuron of visceral pain relay, but not on the somatic, not in the lamina 1 and lamina 5. Okay, that's why it is also, this information, the visceral pain information is also diffuse. And another thing, this first order neuron which ends at substantia gelatinosa is going to opposite side, but before this information also shares with the many interneurons, and now many interneurons convey this take this information upward. But whereas this somatic nerve, it carries sensation solely upon itself. It do not rely on intermediate person, do not rely on interneurons. It carry information directly. So it has got direct bond with mom, that is central nervous system. Somatic nerve send information to central nervous system directly, whereas sympathetic nerve via so many interneurons. Now we will discuss here which type of pain, which type of visceral pain refer to which area of the somatic pain having the same spinal segment. Oh, hello, this is a competitive world. So, kids, here what we are seeing, the kids, my first resume template. Even kids have to show CV to prove their efficiency. So, pain of kidney. Here kidney, the first three letter, that is kid. Kid has to show CV. So, pain of kidney refer to CV angle, that is costovertebral angle. This is the costal margin and this is vertebral margin. So, pain of kidney will refer to CV angle, that is the costovertebral angle. Even kids have to show CV, that is curriculum vitae, to prove their efficiency. Now, second example of the referred pain. A strap of a school bag extends from level of the diaphragm to the shoulder. So, pain of diaphragm refer to shoulder. This is a hint that how we can memorize, because a strap of a school bag extends from the level of the diaphragm to the shoulder. So, pain of the diaphragm will refer to the shoulder because superficial pain carried by the region of the shoulder via the supraclavicular nerve, root value is C2, C3, C4, have got same root value as that of visceral pain of the diaphragm carried by the phrenic nerve, root value is C3, C4, C5. Another example is the care sign, that is Kahar sign, Kahar dhana, that means look awesome. Slim people look awesome, and slim is very much sound like spleen. So, care sign is for spleen. Blood coming out due to ruptured spleen, irritate diaphragm. And we all know that pain of diaphragm refer to the shoulder. So, spleen, as spleen lie on left side, so going to the left shoulder, and best perceived in supine posture with elevated legs. And it is best perceived in supine posture, this posture with elevated leg. So, ruptured spleen, the blood accumulates just under the diaphragm and it will refer to the left shoulder. This one, left shoulder. Next, scapula is a triangular bone, and apex or the tip or inferior angle of scapula. This one. The pain, which type of pain will refer to this area? Pain of algae, that is liver and gallbladder, refer to the tip or apex of scapula. In business, algae company is at apex, is on the top. So, how we can relate algae with the apex? Apex of what? Apex of scapula. So, visceral pain carried from the liver and gallbladder, that is sympathetic nerve, T7 to T9. It's here superficial or somatic pain from the tip of a scapula, that is T7 spinal segment. So, having the same spinal segment, that will refer to the somatic area, that is apex of the scapula. This is ovary of flower. This is flower, and this ovary of flower, and flower in the appendix of book. In the front of a book there is an appendix. So, flower in the appendix of a book. So, pain of ovary and pain of appendix, that will refer to umbilicus, which can be decorated with the flower ornament. How we can relate, memorize that pain of ovary and pain of appendix, which is, so pain of ovary and pain of appendix, which is carried by the T10, by the sympathetic nerve, shares same spinal segment somatic nerve, that is T10, umbilicus. So, pain of ovary and pain of appendix will refer to umbilicus. Cardiac pain. Cardiac referred pain looks like crab. Just see. This looks like crab, just crab. So, cardiac pain will refer to J for jaw, U for under breastbone, S for shoulder, T for teeth, crab, that is C for cervical region, going to the cervical region, R for ribs, A for arm, and B for back. Just crab. the cardiac pain, the visceral pain is carried by the T5 to T9. And also from the cardiac nerve coming out from the superior cervical ganglion, middle and the inferior cervical ganglion. And this will refer to the somatic nerve having the same spinal segment T5 to T9, and these areas are reflecting the same spinal segment. Now the lung is speaking to diaphragm. These are the pair of lung. You are the principal muscle of respiration and we are the principal organ of respiration. So we all refer to same area, that is shoulder. Strap of a school bag extends from the level of the diaphragm to the shoulder. This is principal muscle of respiration and lungs are the principal organ of respiration, referring to same area. Thank you.